Hey, it's Elwood, and this is another action lighting video. If you're watching this video, it's because you scanned this QR code on the product you receive. Yep, this is the unboxing video for the 3/8 incandescent rope light. So when you receive your product, first and foremost, inspect the box. Look at it, make sure there's no damage. Make sure the product's intact. After that, make sure you receive the right thing. I ordered amber, I received amber. Also with our rope light, it's really important. You read this caution. Caution, you must uncoil entire product before plugging in. This is really important because if you don't do this, the roll will actually melt like the video that's playing in the upper corner. All right. When you're opening our product, if you're using a sharp knife, be careful. Don't push too hard and damage the product that's in the box. To all of our rope light, you're going to have an instruction sheet right there on the top. Make sure to read all of this and understand it before you start using the product. And then here we go. All of our rope light comes on a spool like this. All of our rope light comes with a power cord already connected and an end cap on the other end. If you're going to use 150 feet of rope light, this one's ready to go. Also with that rope light, you're going to receive some accessories, some extra power cords, a couple splice kits, and some clips. So if you have any problems with anything we've talked about, like you have damage to your box, you got the wrong color, your accessories are not there, please contact us right away. You can email us at customerservice@actionlighting.com, or you can give us a call at 406-586-5105. Hey, thanks for your time. Thanks for your business.